Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to apply for a Bank of Ireland credit card online. So it's pretty straightforward and you can do it from your home without ever having to go to a branch. So first up, head over to the Bank of Ireland website and navigate to the credit card section. From there, you'll then be able to see the different card options they offer. So simply take a moment to compare the features like interest rates, cashback or rewards, and then pick the one that best fits your needs. And once you've picked your card, you can then click apply now and you then have to fill out some personal information like your name, date of birth, address, and contact information. And from there, they will also ask for your employment information and your income. This is done so they can assess your eligibility. And after filling out the form, you can then review it carefully to make sure there are no mistakes. Then simply submit your application. You should get an instant confirmation that your request has been received, and Bank of Ireland will usually let you know the status within a few days. And if approved, your new credit card will be sent to your registered address, and when it arrives, make sure to activate it online or via the app before using it. And that's it. So applying for a Bank of Ireland credit card is pretty fast, easy and secure. So if this guide helped you, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.